Have you ever wondered how you can figure out that your car's engine piston rings are bad or worn out? Don't worry, in today's video I'm going to tell you all symptoms which shows that your piston rings are worn and it needs replacement. We are going to see 1. Symptoms of bad piston rings. 2. What causes piston rings to go bad. 3. What to do if piston rings are worn out. 4. How you can maintain your engine piston rings to increase its longevity, to avoid several repairs within a short period of time. Welcome to Universal of Technology TV. Make sure to subscribe for keep receiving useful car tips and car advices from our channel. Thank you. First, what is a piston ring? A piston ring is a metal ring that fits around an engine's piston, sealing the piston and cylinder wall together. Piston rings are crucial because number 1. Support engine efficiency and power, since it seals the piston and cylinder wall together. A piston ring prevents combustion gases from leaking into the oil sump. That connection helps maintain the engine's power and efficient operation. Number 2. Protect components from friction and wear. Piston rings apply pressure to cylinder walls, providing a consistent oil film for lubrication. This film protects the cylinder's working surfaces from friction to prevent or reduce wear. Number 3. Maintain proper temperatures. A piston ring helps transfer heat from the piston to the engine's cylinder wall, where it transfers to the system's coolant. They are essential for preventing overheating and maintaining piston stability. Number 4. Control oil and emissions. Piston rings help remove excess oil from the engine's combustion chamber. They help regulate oil consumption, which reduces emissions. What are signs of bad piston rings? A bad piston ring symptoms are similar to those of damaged or worn valve seals. If piston rings are bad, you may notice the following signs. Number 1. Excessive or discolored exhaust. Normal engine exhaust is white and thin. Thick dark gray or blue exhaust indicates that a piston ring is too worn or damaged to form a proper seal. The lack of a seal enables combustion gases to escape from the piston, thickening and discoloring the exhaust. You may also notice the smell of burning oil. Number 2. Poor engine performance. Vehicle shuddering, stuttering or stalling is one of the most significant symptoms of bad piston rings. Low engine performance can hinder your ability to haul heavy loads, and it can eventually lead to a breakdown. Number 3. Acceleration loss. If bad piston rings affect your engine's performance, it may gradually lose acceleration before it starts stuttering and shuddering. Low acceleration prevents your car from quickly and smoothly reaching higher speeds, and it can make it challenging to drive up hills. Poor acceleration typically doesn't cause long-term damage, and replacing your piston rings should restore your vehicle's regular acceleration rate. Number 4. Excessive oil consumption or leaks. Engines naturally consume oil, but excessive consumption should only occur when they require an oil change because they are dirty or overworked. Oil shouldn't burn during the 3,000 to 5,000 mile intervals between oil changes, so any that escapes is typically due to damaged or worn piston rings. If your oil levels are low before a scheduled change, your engine may be burning extra oil or leaking. What causes piston ring failure? The oil can dilute. Diluted oil reduces lubrication, which causes more friction between piston rings and cylinder walls. This friction can cause piston rings to wear out. Engine overheating. Engine overheating damages its external and internal components, and piston rings are typically the first components to incur damage or fail. As heat moves from the piston crown, the engine's top compression rings can break into several pieces. The remaining rings can also incur damage or seize when this occurs. Rich air and fuel mixture. Abrasive soot particles can accumulate in your engine's oil when the air and fuel mixture is overly rich. A rich air and fuel mixture can cause long-term damage, so it's important to seek repair services if this occurs. Incorrect piston ring compressor usage. Improper installation may be to blame for a faulty piston ring. Piston ring compressors require precise handling for proper seals. If a manufacturer or technician applies too much pressure to a piston ring compressor, the piston ring can bend, break, or twist. Those are symptoms which might cause piston ring to go bad. Thanks to watch. If you found that this video is useful, make it share with family and friends. Thank you.